गोंयांत येवपी पर्यटकांक टॅक्सी कार सतायतात हें खरें आसा. वास्को क्रूज टर्मिनलाचेर असोच प्रकार घडला. पर्यटकांनी तशी कागाळ केल्या. म्हाजे टॅक्सीकारां कडेन कसलेंच वायटपण ना, मात तांणी गोंयांत येवपी पर्यटकां कडेन तांकां मान दिवन वागपाक जाय अशें TTAGचो अध्यक्ष सावयो मेसायसान सांगलें. तशेंच शिपींग मंत्रालयाच्या अटी प्रमाण सरकारान संबंदीत खात्याच्या अधिकाऱ्यां कडल्यान क्रूज टर्मिनलाचेर पर्यटकां खातीर एक टॅक्सी कावंटर दवरपाक जाय आनी तशें जाल्यार कसलोच त्रास जावचो ना अशें मेसायसान सांगलें.
And upset about this. These are all senior citizens who are traveling. They are saying we don't want next time will not come to Goa. They are come here for a peaceful stay. And how can you start threatening them and tell them, no, you take my taxi and all this type of thing. This is happening regularly. Whenever coaches are coming to the harbour, the taxi drivers are checking all their documents. They want to check the letters, they want to check their documents, they are behaving like the police. Now before every ship comes, one file is given to the police and one file they keep in the vehicle. Now the taxi drivers want another file. It is not their duty to check the documents and check all the papers. It is the duty of the police to do that. Now they were allowing this to happen, but now the taxi drivers are now started threatening the coach operators, which is not correct. Now Angria is taking bookings of conferences, big groups. So they also contact the hotel to send the buses. So the hotels are sending the buses, and these people are stopping the buses. We have no problem with them, but you have no right to stop the buses. Everybody has got a equal right to book whatever transport they want. You cannot say because Angria is coming to the harbour, you should only use my taxi. No, that is wrong. Shipping guidelines. Every taxi counter at a cruise terminal should be manned by the government officials. The tourist taxi counter should be operated by government officials. Now in Goa, it was GTDC who should operate the taxi counter and nobody else. That is a guideline issued by Ministry of Shipping to all the cruise terminals. Now if GTDC operates this taxi counter, everything will be okay. But they cannot give it to anybody else.